If you are in the market for a snowblower this season, you might be wondering which one is right for you. In this video, we will break down the key features to consider, tips for picking the right model, and what you need to know before making a purchase. Let's make snow clearing a breeze this winter. Welcome to MG Factor. There are different types of snowblowers, such as single-stage snowblower for the lightweight, ideal for small driveways and light snow. Then you have a two-stage snowblower, which is powerful, handles heavier snow and larger areas. Three-stage snowblower, the most powerful options, great for wet, heavy snow and massive spaces. And of course, we have electric versus gas-powered comparison. Some important features to look for, like cleaning width and depth, power source, throwing distance, ease of use, such as electric start for your convenience, self-propelled drive to reduce effort, adjustable chute for directional control of snow, durability, storage options, budget, climate and terrain, brand and warranty, and some safety features which is really important. These are all the snowblower available at my local Home Depot store at display. There might be more available online, so you can just watch the entire video, look for the options that really works for you, prices, some financing options, so on and so forth. Let me know in the comment if you have any specific questions, and I will love to answer those. Enjoy the video. Key consideration when shopping at Home Depot. Look for the brand's availability. You have Toro, Cub Cadet, Troy-Bilt, Ryobi and Honda. What warranty do they provide? Do we have any customer review with those products? Are there any promotions running currently? And delivery and assembly. My final thoughts. When shopping for snowblower at Home Depot, balance your choice between the size of your property, typical snowfall in your area, and your budget. Compare features like clearing width, power source, and additional amenities such as heated grip or LED light to get the best value for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and product reviews. If you have questions and recommendations, do let us know in the comment. Until next time, stay safe and healthy.